ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ሪቪው ኤክሰርሳይዝ ላይ ኢንተግሬሽን ኤንድ ዴሪቬቲቭ የሚለውን ዴሪቬቲቭ የሚለውን እስኪ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ስራልን ባላችሁት መሰረት ይሄንን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ሌት አስ ሲ ቱጌዘር እስኪ አብረን እናያለን እንዴት እንደሆነ ለማሳየት እንሞክራለን። find the derivative of each of the following function ይላል። ያላችሁት ፈንክሽን ይሄ ነው። ሌት አስ ሲ each one by one እናያለን። The first one says f of x is equals to x squared times 2x plus 5 ይላል. This one the first. To show this one, let's take here is our f of x is equals to x squared times twice x plus 5. ስለዚህ ይሄንን ምን አፕላይ ማድረግ እንችላለን? This is one function x squared, here we have 2x plus 5 አለ. This is the other one. ስለዚህ product rule apply ማድረግ እንችላለን, which implies f derivative at x. For instance, this is one function x squared derivative times twice of x plus 5 plus the function that is x squared times the derivative of the second function. ሁለተኛው ፈንክሽናችን 2x plus 5 ስላለን ይሄንን derivative እናደርጋለን. When you come to here, the derivative of x squared power function ስለሆነ derivative ምን ብለናል? twice of x ይሆናል ይሄኛው ማለት ነው. This is twice x times 2x plus 5 ይሆናል. ሁለተኛውን ስናይ 2x plus 5 ደርቤት ስናደርገው 2 times x ስለሆነ power 1 ስለሆነ እዚህ 2 ይሆናል, 5 constant ስለሆነ 0 ይሆናል. So this becomes twice of x squared ይሆናል. After that, collect like terms. 2x times 2x, this is 4x squared ይሆናል. Distribute this, multiplication over addition እናደርጋለን. 2x times 5, this becomes 10x plus this is 2x squared ይሆናል. After that, collect like terms. Like termoቹን collect ስናደርግ 4x squared እና 2x squared ስላለን it becomes 6x squared ይሆናል plus 10x ይሆናል. This is the derivative of our function that is x squared times 2x plus 5 ይሆናል. This is one option. Or ምን ማድረግ ይቻላል? ይሄኛውን multiplicationውን distribute over addition እናደርጋለን. ይሄ ማለት f of x is equals to x squared times 2x, which is equals 2x the power of 3 plus 5 times x squared ይሆናል. ይሄ ከሆነ በኋላ after that find the derivative of this x. ይሄ polynomial function ስለሆነ ፓወሩ የዚህኛው 3 ስለሆነ ምን ይሆናል? coefficient ይሆናል. It becomes 2 times 3, that is 6. Reduced its power by 1 ስለሆነ 6 times x squared ይሆናል plus the power of here is x squared, it is 2 ስለሆነ it becomes what? 2 times 5, that is 10. 10x. This is what you obtained there. እዚህ ጋር ያገኘነው ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው. ስለዚህ either distribute አድርገን መጀመሪያ multiplication over addition እናደርግና ያንን derivative እናደርጋለን ወይም product rule apply እናደርጋለን. እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ distribution ነው ያደረግነው. ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ ማንኛውንም derivative ማግኘት እንችላለን. Let us see the second one. It says f of x is equals to x squared plus x over x cubed minus x plus 2 ይላል. Let us consider the second one. f of x is equals to x squared plus x over x cubed minus x plus 2. It says ስለዚህ የዚህን ሶሉሽን ለማግኘት we apply what? ምንን apply እናደርጋለን? quotient rule apply እናደርጋለን. But it says if you have a form of f over g derivative is equals to f derivative times the denominator, that is g, minus f times the derivative of the denominator, that is g, divided by the square of our denominator, g square, where g must be different from 0 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። ይሄን እናውቃለን። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ this implies f derivative at x means numeratorችን ምን ሆናል? This is the numerator function n. This one is the denominator function, that is d, we can say. So this becomes derivative of the numerator function at x times the denominator at x minus the numerator function n of x times the derivative of the denominator function d of x, the whole divided by denominator function dx the whole square እናደርጋለን ማለት denominatorችን square እናደርጋለን. here what? ይሄን ቃል this is equal to ምን ይሆናል? nx means this is x squared plus x derivative times the denominator function that is x cubed minus x plus 2 minus the numerator function that is x squared plus x times the derivative of the denominator function that is x cubed minus x plus 2 derivative divided by the square of our denominator that is x cubed minus x plus 2 the whole square ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህንን derivative ስናደርግ derivative of the n x squared plus x it becomes twice x plus 1 times the function x cubed minus x plus 2 denominator function minus the derivative of the denominator becomes that is x cubed derivative 3x squared minus x becomes 3x squared minus 1 this is times x squared plus x the whole this is divided by the square of the denominator that how x cubed minus x plus 2 the whole square here. After that we'll try to collect similar terms that were similar term የሆኑትን እናደርጋለን collect እናደርጋለን let us see this which is equals 2x times x cubed that is 2x the power of 4 2x times minus x this becomes minus 2x squared plus 2x times 2 that is 4x plus 1 times x cubed that is x cubed times minus x squared x that is minus x 1 times 2 that is plus 2 minus take the product of this one 3x squared times x squared that is 3x the power of 4 3x squared plus 3x the power of 3 beautiful minus 1 times x squared that is minus x squared minus 1 times x this is minus x the whole divided by x cubed minus x plus 2 here ይሄን ይመስላል after that if it is possible we can collect terms which are similar የሆኑትን collect እናደርጋለን here how የሚሆናል 2x squared the power of 4 minus 3x the power of 4 it becomes minus x the power of 4 ይሆናል minus 2x squared x cube እዛ አለ እዚህ ጋር minus 3x cube it becomes minus 2x cube x squared collect እናደርግ እዚህ ጋር negative 2x squared አለ እዚህ ጋር minus plus x squared ስለሚሆን it becomes minus x squared ይሆናል the other one here is 4x minus x 3x ይሆናል እዚህ ጋር plus x ስላለን 3x plus x it becomes 4x but the next one here is 2 in case of this one there is no any constant so it becomes plus 2 the whole over this is x the power of 3 minus x plus 2 the whole square ይሆናል ማለት ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ያለን ቫልዩ ይሄኛው which is equal to this እዚህ ጋር ይሆናል ማለት ስለዚህ የf derivative at x ምን ይሆናል minus x the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2 ብለን በዛ አይነት መንገድ ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው this is the derivative of our function the next function says that is c it says f of x equals x squared over x plus 1 ይላል ሶስተኛ let's try to find the derivative of this one that is c it says f of x is equals to x squared over x plus 1 ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ still this is a form of quotient matrix ስላለው this is division ስለሆነ we apply derivative of quotient apply እናደርጋለን this implies f derivative at x means the derivative of the numerator that is x squared derivative times the denominator function is that is x plus 1 minus the numerator function that is x squared into times the derivative of the denominator x plus 1 derivative እናደርጋለን divided by the square of the denominator denominatorችን x plus 1 ስለሆነ square እናደርጋለን when come to here this show that derivative of x squared as we are familiar this is twice x into x plus 1 minus x squared derivative of x plus 1 1 ስለሆነ 1 times x squared is the same x squared ይሆናል divided by x plus 1 the whole square እንላለን ማለት this implies that multiply 2x over what distribution of this multiplication over addition ስለሆነ 2x times x which is equals 2x to the power of 2 2x times 1 that is plus 2x minus x squared divided by which is x plus 1 the whole square here ይሆናል እዚህ ጋር ኮሌክት ስናደርግ 2x square minus x square means that is x square plus twice x divided by x plus 1 the whole square equal. So the derivative of our function f of x is equals to x square over x plus 1 becomes this one ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ደሪቬቲቭን አገኘን ማለት ነው። What's the last one? The last equation, it says that x cubed times 1 minus 1 over x times x square over 1 over x square. The next one, D, to solve this, f of x is equals to x cubed into 1 minus 1 over x. This is times x square minus 1 over x square, it says. So ስለዚህ ይሄ አስፈላጊ ከሆነ we can distribute this multiplication. Multiplication distribute አድርገን መስራት እንችላለን. That means we can take this. X cubed means this is x times x square times 1 minus 1 over x, which is times x square minus 1 over x square ይሆናል። x cube ማለት x times x square ስለሆነ you know that a times b times c times d means which is equals ac times bd. We can make this one since multiplication is commutative ስለሆነ we can commutate. So ይሄ ምን ይሆናል? This is equals x into 1 minus 1 over x times x square into x square minus 1 over x square ብለን በዛ አይነት መንገድ ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ ይችላል። Yes, it is possible since multiplication is commutative. When distribute this multiplication x over the subtraction ስንወስድ ይሄንን ስንወስድ x times 1 that is x ይሆናል። x times negative 1 over x that is minus 1 times this x square times x square, this becomes x the power of 4. x square times negative 1 over x square ሲሆን it becomes minus 1 ይሆናል። this is the one. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር አፒር ካደረገ በኋላ እዚህ ከደረስን በኋላ ፕሮዳክት ሩል አፕላይ ማድረግ እንችላለን። አሁን this is one function, let's say g, let's say this one is h of x. ስለዚህ this implies that f derivative at x means which is equals g derivative at x times h plus g times h derivative at x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። is the derivative ስንወስድ which is equals derivative of x minus 1, this means x minus 1 derivative times x the power of 4 minus 1 plus x minus 1 times x the power of minus 1 derivative አድርገን በዛ አይነት መንገድ መስራት እንችላለን። So the derivative of x minus 1 that is 1 times x the power of 4 minus 1, it is x the power of 4 minus 1 plus derivative of x the power of minus 1 means 4x cubed ስለሚሆን it becomes 4x cubed into x minus 1 እንወስዳለን። After that distribute this one. ይህን distribute ስናደርግ x the power of 4 minus 1 plus 4x cubed times x 4x the power of 4 ይሆናል minus 1 times 4x cubed, it is 4 times x cubed ይሆናል ማለት ነው። like term collect ስናደርግ this becomes 5x the power of 4 ይሆናል minus 4 times x the power of 3 minus 1 ብለን በዛ አይነት መንገድ ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። or if you want ይሄንን ዲስትሪቢዩት ማድረግም ትችላላችሁ። f of x is equals to x minus 1 times x the power of minus 1 ማለት ዲስትሪቢዩት ስናደርገው x times x the power of 4, this is x the power of 5 ይሆናል። here is x times minus 1 x minus x the power of 4 minus 1 times minus 1, it becomes plus 1 ይሆናል which is equals x the power of 5 minus x the power of 4 minus x plus 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። after that apply derivative of this polynomial. f derivative at x means derivative of x the power of 5, this is 5 times x the power of 4 ይሆናል። derivative of x the power of 4, it becomes 4x the power of 3 ይሆናል። derivative of minus x, it is minus 1. then derivative of 1 is that it's constant ስለሆነ 0 ይሆናል። the derivative looks like this one. we get the same result what we obtained there. እዚህ ጋር ካገኘነው ጋር ተመሳሳይ ይሆናል። አንድ አይነት መልስ እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ የተለያዩ ፕሮብሌሞች ሶልቭ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ወይም ፋይንድ ዴሪቬቲቫቸው መፈለግ ትችላላችሁ። ቻናሉን ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ሌላም ጥያቄዎች ካሏችሁ በዚህ መሰረት ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡ፣ እንሰራለን። ባይ ባይ።